Hi everybody, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to enable notifications in CarX Drift Racing 2 game. If you want to enable notification setting in CarX Drift Racing 2 on your mobile device so you never miss out the in-game events, updates and rewards, then this guide is beginner friendly. First of all, launch the CarX Drift Racing 2 application on your smartphone or your tablets and make sure that the game is updated to the latest version. Once you're in the game homepage, look for the gear icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. This will bring up the settings option. Inside the settings list, go ahead and look for notification at the top right. Now, right next to all notifications, tap on On in order to enable notification settings. Click on Accept in the next page and you'll also be asked for your system pop-up where you can tap the Allow button to allow CarX Drift Racing 2 to send you notification. After you do that, you can then go ahead and enable other notifications such as fuel restoration, update to the new day, small drift box, engine suppliers, etc. You can go ahead and turn on any notification you want to receive and vice versa. Now that you've enabled your notification settings, you will stay updated on special drifting events, get notified about time-limited rewards, and never miss a game update or challenge. If you ever want to turn off notifications, you can just get back to this same menu and tap the off button at the top, and that way you can easily disable notification as well whenever you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.